Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking prerequisites. Make sure your iPhone is updated and unlocked. Now open Settings, tap Notifications. This takes you straight to the app list. Once there, scan for messaging, email, and banking apps first because they often show sensitive info. Decide which apps should hide previews entirely versus those that can show minimal info. This immediate action sets the stage. You'll adjust preview behavior next, so pick apps you care about and keep the Settings app open. Now you'll change preview settings per app. Tap an app from the notifications list. You'll see options like badges, sounds, and banners. Look for Show Previews, set it to when unlocked to hide content on the lock screen, or never to block previews entirely. For messages and mail, pick When Unlocked to balance convenience and privacy, or Never for strict protection. Make this choice deliberately because it controls what appears before you unlock the phone, reducing accidental exposure. Finish by configuring global and lock screen behavior. In Settings, right arrow Notifications, set Show Previews globally if you want a default, then override per app as needed. Next, use focus modes to silence or allow specific apps during work or personal time. This further limits interruptions and private content exposure. Finally, test the lock screen by sending yourself a message. If previews still appear, return to the app's notification settings and recheck Show Previews.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.